Yes, okay. Yeah, traders, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another weekend. So, as usual, I'm going to share the highlight of the market on gold spot for the coming week. So now this is just from 11th of March to 15th of March. So it is just a 5 days market move. So let us straight see the highlight of the market, but remember to do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and also make sure that you just try to incorporate things like risk management, control your psychology and everything when you are trading based on these projections. So now straightforward, I do the top-down analysis and it is in 4 different time frames. Now from the monthly time frames, and I go deeper to 4-hour time frames. And now in 4-hour time frame is where I provide an exact probable direction and entries for the coming week. So now I'm in a monthly chart, and actually we can see greater changes this week now. This analysis is going to be different from most of the previous analysis in what is exactly going on in the market currently. Now, in all of our previous analysis, we were not looking forward to see gold trading above this swing high. So that was the overall projection. But now this week we have seen gold trading above this level. So now this is going to change some of the parts of our projections on gold, but other parts will remain the same. So basically, we're looking forward for price to come down now below this level here. So price failed to close below and bounced straight to the upside. So now from there, actually we see there's stronger bullish momentum at this level. So how far this bullish momentum is going to hold, actually in lower time frames, we can see how far we expect to see gold pushing to the upside. And also, as price was trading below this level now for several months, so you see now it's like 3 months price trying to break, come down. So actually, if now it has broken above, so we expect a retest. So now a retest can occur straight within this monthly candle, or we can see now the next monthly candle can be a retest candle. It may come down to this level, then continue to the upside. So the overall picture here, we're looking up, and movement to the downside is correction. But how far we are going to push up, let us see in lower time frames. So now straightforward in a weekly time frame, so we can see the highlight. So as I've been saying, in more than 2 months ago, I guess, so we see this one was created on December. So after creation of this candle, the bearish one, so basically my projection was based on gold not trading above these 2 candles here. So basically price has been holding on below it several times. And in my previous analysis last week, I talked about if we see price trading above those 2 candles here, we are going to change our projection to the bullish side. So we see now this week price has managed to trade above these candles. So basically we are bullish now. So we have to take consideration of buy direction, and all the sell directions will be just retracement or corrections. That's very powerful. And now what the price is doing here, we see we had the 4th wave here, for those who know the Elliott wave. So after the 4th wave, there was a move to the upside, correction, move to the upside, correction, there is another move. So basically, if you look closely, you will find that price is moving in 3 waves up, correction, 3 waves up, corrections. So basically, now we are also looking forward to see 3 waves up. So we are creating now the first wave. We will be having correction. So after that correction, we can also trade the final move to the upside. So that's why I'm saying currently, and movement to the downside will be correction. That is powerful. And also, we see now the price is trading currently here. We are running in a channel. So we have the upper line and the upper line, the lower line and the upper line. So the upper line, was support previously. Now you see price was supported several times previously, then later broken, and it has been a resistance. So price retested here, came down, tried to move again there, came down. So currently we expect the price to move again to that level before it come down again. So that is powerful, and this is also another factor of confluence for a buy projection. Why we are looking for a buy? Because we expect to see price coming to this level up here. Then straightforward in a daily time frame, we can see other things in detail. So we have a lot of things here. So now in daily time frame, we see the channels as usual, the upper and the lower channel. And basically we have wave 1, 2 to the downside, 3, 4. So currently we are running with the 50 to the upside. As I've said, we are moving in 3 waves up, 3 down. So currently we have the first leg, then we are looking for correction before we complete the second leg to the upside. So now maybe does this mean exactly we are going to push down now right on Monday? Actually, in 4-hour time frame, we can see now exactly what are we expecting to start this push to the downside. But basically, remember, this push to the downside will be a retest to this level that supported price, resisted price several times in the past. So price may come here, and we have 2 factors of confluence here. Price may come down due to this channel here, and also may come down due to this one, the thing here, the resistance line. And at the same time, if you run a Fibonacci of this one, if you run a Fibonacci correction of this one, a retracement, you will find that now this line is around the 50%. So price is most likely to come to 50% level before it continue to the upside. And at the same time, maybe I can add another idea why I'm looking for price to come at this level. We have the equality. So we have this thing here. So I tried to measure the length of the third wave because the first wave has already extended. So the third wave with this one. So currently we expect the fifth wave to have equality with the third wave, or the fifth wave can be shorter than the third wave. It's not going to be like a fifth wave being longer than this one. So based on the Elliott wave rules, actually this is not acceptable. So if you run the thing equality now from the beginning of the move here, so you'll basically see prices expected to end up at this level. So all in all, I can say when we have already completed this correction to the downside, we'll be looking for gold to trade up to around the level of 2300. Now in most cases, it may end up at the level of around 2300. So it's not going to be today or tomorrow. It will take several months to see price trading at 2300. After this correction, will be better buying to those levels up there. So now in 4-hour time frame, we can see now a clear projection. In 4-hour time frame, we can see a clear projection. Let me remove this thing. So now in 4-hour time frame, we can see prices trading in this channel. We see the channel. So now from there, we expect that price may form some correction to the downside and then complete the fifth wave to the upside, because we see this one. So let me put this there. So we can have the fourth wave before price complete the fifth wave in any way. Then after those things, we can now start seeing that correction. But in any way, if you see price moving outside this channel in 4-hour time frame, when the price is moving outside this channel in the 4-hour time frame, we can start taking some sales now in a short term. But basically, by the end of next week, we'll be having a clear picture of whether this expected correction has already started. So that is the projection. So most the case, we expect it to trade sales in corrective mode, maybe from next week. And basically, after this one, after several weeks, this one will be completed. Then we'll be having beautiful buys to around the level of 2300. So that is the projection. Thank you for your time. Make sure that you add your own analysis and also watch analysis from other traders and basically trade with risk management. And if you have not followed us on Telegram, we have a Telegram channel for updates. You can follow and also you can subscribe the YouTube channel also to have updates on trading. So thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.